Um, welcome to another vlog. Today I am doing a few things, so I wanted to pick up the camera and vlog today. I just came back from work not too long ago. I will be getting ready today to do a few things, but later on I do have a movie screening to go to. I have never been to one. It is my first time going to a movie screen. I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it. I was actually looking forward to the movie that we're going to watch, and yeah, I'm really excited what today will hold. I do have a few things I need to do before I leave today though. I need to obviously get ready, prepare my outfits, whatever it is that I'm going to wear, and then I also need to film a short video for something that my sister needs me to do for back home, so I will do that. I will try to vlog as much as I can. Obviously I can't vlog the movie screen itself while we're inside, just because we're the first people that will be seeing it. The movie's not out yet, and we're not supposed to give any spoilers or anything online, so I'll see what I can share. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I need to put the dishes away and get something to eat, which I need to do. Hey guys, so I have less than 15 minutes to be done and walk out of here before my ride gets here. I'm wearing a turtleneck because it's a little chilly today. Arizona chose to be cold. And I have long pants, which I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quickly. I don't know if the actor, oh shoot, my ride's here. All right, I gotta go. See you guys. All right, guys, oh, look at the glow. This is what I'm wearing. See you guys. Hey guys, good morning or good afternoon, wherever the time's finding you. Well, I'm trying to pick up this vlog from where I ended. I'm sure wherever I ended was at the movie screening that I went to. It was really, really good. It was so good. 10 out of 10, that movie, 10 out of 10. It's called A Journal to Jordan, A Journal for Jordan. We're not really supposed to talk about it, but hopefully by the time this video is going up, the movie's out already or almost out. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, Christmas period and holidays and everything. Today I'm gonna go get my hair done, and we do have like a Hall of Fame college basketball game to go to. I know, it's just a lot going here and there. So I'm going for a scalp treatment today. If you know me, or my last silk press vlog, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I am very, very tender-headed. Like I could not. I'm very tender-headed, and my scalp gets sore very, very easily. So I'm having a scalp treatment today.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I've taken my braids out. Honestly, my hair, even if it's not where I want it to be, it is definitely not where it used to be. Like, at least I have a little bit more volume now and more length, and hence, you know, going to do this scalp treatment, I'm really, really, really trying to take care of my hair. And probably as you keep going on this journey with me, or just watching more vlogs, I'm sure you will see the progression of how well my hair is gonna grow. I'm trying my best, I'm doing my best, and yeah, I'm gonna keep working just because I've been working even since I was taking my braids out, so I just want to keep doing that before later in the day. That's when my appointment is. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So, change of plans. I have a team lunch to go to before I head over to my appointment. My boss just texted me that, hey, we're having lunch, so I'm about to go. Ooh, it is nice and sunny, but it's a little chilly. It's like 56 degrees now. Ooh, look at that skin though. We had lunch with my team from work. It was amazing. It was great. It was just kind of like a year-end lunch, you know, appreciate everybody for putting in hard work and just, you know, had a good time. And so I stopped by work because my boss wanted to give me this. Oh, so nice. So right now, 2:21, I need to go. I need to go to my appointment. Ready for the game. Ooh, I look good. This is what I'm wearing. Look at my hair. That's Matthew. He's comfortable. I know. Wow. I just know. He looks nice. Just